How to block website in Chrome on Android. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new tutorial. In this following video, I'll show you how can you block website in Chrome on Android. To do it, so you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So first of all, open up a browser and you want to type in nextdns.io. After which it's going to take you to this sort of field. Now here you want to click on try it now, and you do not need to create an account as well. You just have to make sure to set it up. After which, what you want to do is you want to go to the parental control, and then you want to go ahead and add a website if you want to block it out, or else if you want to link, you want to go to the denial list and then enter in the and then type in the link. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy it from the clipboard or paste it from here. So this is the one. And what next I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and swipe towards the right hand side and go to setup. And once you've actually done it, so what next you want to do is you want to go to the DNS, or you just want to scroll down, and here you want to click on the DNS and then you want to copy it out. Once you've done it, so you want to exit out of this page, or you just want to make sure to go to the Chrome's home page, all right, over here, and then you want to click on the three dot icon from the top right and go to settings. As you go to settings, you want to go to privacy and security. Then you want to go ahead and click on use security DNS right over here, and then you want to click on choose a provider. Now paste in the URL that we recently copied, and once you've done it, so you successfully block website in Chrome on Android. So that is the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.